no matter the size.
Replacing your roof is a big deal.
Insurance claims, financing.
Not to mention a major interruption in your life.
It can all be overwhelming.
Never fear, Brother Will. The Brown Boys are here.
We make it easy.
By cutting through the clutter, you're never alone.
We're here to help and available
During every step of the process.
So give us a call.
I'm Brother Robert.
And I'm Brother Will. And together, we're the Brown Boys. Activate. Shape of a hailstone. That's the weather event.
Form of a pterodactyl.
We mixed up our superheroes.
No worries, it's make-believe.
Time out!